The High Court ruled on a petition after 8 non-governmental organizations moved to court to challenge last week's nomination of persons to take over the offices of the Chief Justice, Attorney General, Director of Public Prosecutions and Controller of Budget. None of the appointees named was a woman. Justice Musinga took the gender issue into consideration in his ruling. He declared the appointments as unconstitutional, adding that he was satisfied that the nominations were in breach of Article 27(3) that guarantees fundamental rights and freedom of women and men to equal treatment, including the right to equal opportunities in political, economic, cultural and social spheres.
Justice Musinga made express reference to the fact that the head of state had not respected gender considerations in the Constitution in the 4 nominations.
The majesty of the Constitution has been restored. Constitutionalism and the rule of law has been entrenched. This is going to be a new Kenya.
Justice Musinga further directed that no state organ, including Parliament, should proceed with the process which sought to formalize the appointment of the 4 officers. The move could potentially pit the judiciary against the legislature, but in his ruling, Justice Musinga broached the subject, stating, quote, "The court can't restrain the National Assembly from its work, but unless the Speaker points out the unconstitutionality of such debates, then the court cannot sit back and allow such violation. The court has an obligation to point out to the National Assembly such breaches of the Constitution," unquote.
The state has one option: to go back to the drawing board and comply with the Constitution, because the court has given an order to stop frustrating the entire executive process.
Justice Musinga warned that it would be unconstitutional to proceed with the approval process, which the court now says must await the outcome of the current petition. The High Court ruling further dents the credibility of the recent nominations, which have been roundly criticized by the Law Society of Kenya, the International Commission of Jurists Kenya chapter, and the Federation of Women Lawyers in Kenya, FIDA Kenya. Abdi Osman, Citizen Live at 9.